Welcome to our channel.
Hi friends, are you ready to make some waves with today's word? Today's word is ripple. Can you say it with me? R I P P L E. Ripple. Meaning, to ripple means to make little waves that move outward. Here's how we use it in a sentence. The pebble made a ripple in the pond. Fun fact. One small ripple can travel a long way across water. Can you make ripple arms? Move your arms like waves, slow and smooth. Thanks for rippling through today's word. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep on rippling. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.